If you want your photos to look vibrant, clean, and professionally color graded in Lightroom, this is the simple workflow you can follow. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact settings and the order to use them so your images pop without looking overdone. This is perfect for portraits, travel photos, Instagram edits, and any shot that needs a little more life and energy. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your photo in Adobe Lightroom and head over to the Light panel. This is where we build the foundation of the edit. Start by raising exposure slightly, usually somewhere around +0.2 to +0.5, depending on how dark the image is. You want the photo brighter, but not washed out. Next, increase contrast by around +15 to +30. This helps the image feel stronger and gives your colors more impact. Then pull highlights down by -30 to -60 so you recover bright areas and keep detail in the sky, skin, or reflective surfaces. After that, lift shadows by +20 to +40 to bring back detail in darker parts of the photo. This balance between brightening the image and protecting detail is what gives you that polished, vibrant look. Now move into the color section. This is where you make the image feel lively without making it look fake. The main adjustment here is vibrance. Increase vibrance by around +20 to +40. Vibrance is usually better than saturation because it boosts the weaker colors first and keeps skin tones more natural. Then add only a small amount of saturation, around +5 to +10. Keep this low because too much saturation can make the entire image look noisy and unrealistic. The goal is rich color, not cartoon color. Next, go into HSL, which stands for hue, saturation, and luminance. This panel gives you much more control over individual colors, and it's one of the best ways to make vibrant photos in Lightroom. Start with blues and greens. Increase their saturation by around +20 to +40 if you want skies, water, or foliage to stand out more. If your image has skin tones, be careful with the oranges. Only make small changes there, usually +5 to +10 saturation at most, because skin can easily look unnatural. Then adjust luminance slightly upward. For colors, you want to appear brighter and cleaner. A small lift can make the whole photo feel fresher and more vibrant without needing to over-edit. After that, go to color grading. This is where you add the final mood to the image. For the highlights, choose a warm tone like yellow or orange. Keep the saturation subtle so it enhances the light instead of overpowering it. For the shadows, add a very slight cool tone like blue to create contrast and give the photo a modern cinematic feel. The key here is subtlety. If the colors are too strong, the image will look stylized instead of naturally vibrant. Small changes go a long way. Finally, open the presence or effects area and fine-tune the texture of the photo. Add clarity around +10 to +20 to give the image more definition and punch. Add texture around +10 to enhance fine detail, especially in clothing, buildings, or landscape shots. Then use dehaze sparingly, usually +5 to +10, to make the image look a little cleaner and more contrast-rich. Just remember, too much clarity or dehaze can make skin harsh and photos look over-processed, so keep these adjustments controlled. And that's the full workflow for creating vibrant photos in Lightroom. Start with light, boost color smartly, fine-tune with HSL, add a subtle color grade, and finish with presence adjustments. When you combine these steps, you get a clean, colorful, professional result that stands out instantly. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Lightroom editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.